What's up guys, welcome to our new video, and today we'll be showing you what we're doing at the evening. And as you can see, the sun's setting and it's Sunday evening, and
we have went to the playfields this morning. We had a lot of fun, and in the end we're gonna end it off with a fun family barbecue. Let's jump in. Come on. Okay, flip the camera. And
stuff.
Okay, now I'm gonna open it and let's see what's inside. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's chicken.
It's chicken leg pieces. So
okay guys, so right now we're gonna play a one-on-ones. First to 2 meg wins, and who doesn't get 2 megs loses. So
we're just doing this
to kill some time, so, you know,
waiting for the barbecue. Why not just play some soccer?
Yeah, it's fun. Okay, I start with okay, start over there. So we're gonna do first to 2 megs. So let's go. And you can't just be like this the whole time. That's literally cheating. So just act like you're playing normal soccer, but you have to do some baggage. Twice. Finally, so now the food is ready. Let's all enjoy. I'm low-key kind of starving though. Alright, let's go. Alright.
That one chicken.
One chicken. You serve for yourself.
Huh?
Should I serve for you?
No, I got it.
Okay. Okay,
let's have a bite.
Okay. Okay guys, now let's dig in. This is green chutney that my mom made, and
Special recipe.
Yeah, special recipe, and I love the chutney. So ready, bro?
Yep.
Here you go. Please. Are you dip yours in the chutney?
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
So good. Oh my, the sour, the lemon tastes so much good with this.
So much flavors.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It's good. And in the next one, we're gonna have paneer. Over here, there's capsicum. This is Mom, this is capsicum, right?
Yeah.
And then this is the onions.
Yeah.
Which kind of got burnt, but it's fine.
But it's really good.
Yeah, next is paneer. I can't wait for the paneer. Then we're gonna kind of like compete which one is better, chicken or paneer.
And then there's also garlic bread.
Oh yeah, garlic bread. Yeah, I keep on forgetting. Okay, that's all.
Okay, so now the paneer is ready, and we also got our garlic bread. And yeah, now let's begin.
Too.
This is the first time we ever grilled garlic bread, but we're used to paneer and chicken and the stuff. So let's go.
I'll get myself 2 paneer, and then 1 capsicum, because I don't really like capsicum that much. Here you go.
And you have to be healthy too.
Yeah.
I got some onion.
Hey, I got a smiley face when I served it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Well, that's big.
Okay, 1 paneer.
Good.
It's good. It has a lemon too. Maybe more flavorful. Let me dip this one with the chutney.
We're gonna leave you with some videos of our morning scrimmage we did for soccer in the playfields. And yeah, till then, we out. Peace.